Hi my dear student, today we will discuss properties of absolute values. Let us see if x comma y belongs to R, real number. Very first, modulus of x plus y equal to modulus of x minus y if the product xy equal to 0. What is the meaning x into y equal to 0? Either x is 0 or y is 0. If x is 0 or y is 0, whose modulus values are same. For example, if x is 0, mod y equal to mod minus y, both are same. If y equal to 0, mod x equal to mod x, both are same. Got it? Second point, mod x into y equal to mod x into mod y. If x and y both are positive, product is positive. Both are negative, product is positive. If x positive, y negative, y. If x negative, y positive. Anyway, the result is when you take modulus, it will be positive. Either x and y positive or negative, when you take modulus, it will be positive. So positive into positive, positive, and the whole modulus will be positive. So I can write modulus of xy equal to mod x into mod y. Modulus of x divided by y equal to mod x divided by mod y. If x and y both are positive, both are negative, or positive, negative, negative, positive, when you take modulus, it will be positive. Similarly, x and y both are positive, both are negative, or positive, negative, negative, positive, when you take modulus individually, it gives positive by positive. So I can say modulus of x by y, which is equal to modulus of x divided by modulus of y. Modulus of x plus y is always less than or equal to modulus of x plus modulus of y. If both are positive or both are negative, whose modulus value always equal to sum of the individual modulus. Suppose x positive, y negative, or x negative, y positive, the difference is always less than the sum of the individual modulus. Got it? Mod x less than r. If and only if your x modulus of x lies between the same sign will come here and here, this number negative to positive. Less than, if mod x less than r, then write inside the modulus x I have, put the same sign this side and this side, what it is? R. So put the negative sign and positive sign here. Suppose that is your x belongs to minus r comma plus r. Suppose your mod x less than or equal to r, that is same x, same sign will come here and here. Here I have a positive, so this is negative to positive. So that is your x belongs to minus r comma plus r closed interval. Suppose your modulus of x is greater than r, same x, same sign will come here and here, minus to plus. That is your x belongs to minus infinity comma minus r and r comma infinity. When you see separately, this one only x is greater than r, so r comma infinity. Your x is less than minus r, so this side minus infinity to minus r. So when you take union, these two range give the value of x in this case. Suppose mod x greater than or equal to r, same modulus inside the x, same sign, minus to plus. Okay, that is your x belongs to minus infinity comma minus r closed interval and plus r comma infinity. Infinities are always open. Minus r equal sign, so closed interval, plus r equal sign, closed interval. Is it clear? This is what the way you wanted to release your modulus with the inequality. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Got it? Is it clear? Very, very, very important. Modulus of x less than r, modulus of x less than or equal to r, modulus x greater than r, modulus x greater than or equal to r. Whatever it is, inside the modulus, write everywhere. Okay. Put the same sign both side. Same sign both side. Same sign both side. And the value will be positive appear here. So strictly you want to write negative of this one, positive of this one at the end, on both ends. Then discuss the value. In this case it lies between minus r to plus r. In this case it lies between minus r to plus r, including minus r and plus r. That's why closed interval. Here x is greater than r, so r comma positive infinity. Here x is less than minus r, so minus r to this side, that is minus infinity comma minus r. Here I use a equal sign, so I will put r and minus r with equal sign. Got it? Next. For any a belongs to r. For any a belongs to r, your modulus of x minus a less than or equal to r. It means in this category. Inside the modulus x minus a, same sign less than or equal to, put negative to positive. That is x. This a comes here, a plus r. This a comes here, minus a comes here, plus. So in this case, your x belongs to a minus r comma a plus r. Got it? So in this case, the value of x lies between a minus r comma a plus r, including this range. Basically in this interval where x belongs to. Modulus of x minus a less than or equal to r. So inside the modulus, same sign will come both the side. I have r negative to positive. So when this minus a comes here, plus a on both sides. Therefore in this case x lies between, like this, x lies between a minus r to a plus r, closed interval. Is it clear? Next, for any a belongs to r, mod x minus a greater than or equal to r. Mod x minus a greater than or equal to r. So inside the modulus x minus a, same sign, I have plus r, minus r to plus r. When this x as it is, this minus a comes here, a plus r, this minus a comes here, a minus r. Got it? That is, where x belongs to minus infinity comma a minus r, open, this is equal sign, and a plus r comma infinity. Got it? See, in this case your x belongs to minus infinity comma a minus r and a plus r to infinity. Is it clear? See, this is the basic properties of absolute value. Wherever we are going to discuss a problem with absolute value, you must know these properties. Okay, if x comma y belongs to r, then modulus of x plus y equal to modulus of x minus y if the product xy equal to 0. What is mean by product xy equal to 0? Either x is 0 or y is 0. Suppose y is 0 means mod x and mod x are same value. If x is 0 means mod y and mod minus y gives the same value. Modulus of minus y is plus y and modulus of y will be plus y. And the modulus of xy equal to mod x into mod y. Where mod x and into mod y, it will be positive and it will be positive, the product is positive. Either both x and y are negative or both x and y are positive, or either x positive y negative or x negative y positive. The product xy is negative. After taking modulus, again it will be positive value. Similarly for x divided by y. And modulus of x plus y is always less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. If both the number x and y are positive, it gives the equal sign. If both x and y are negative also, it gives the equal sign when you take modulus. Suppose x positive, y negative, or x negative, y positive. In this, inside the modulus, it will be a difference. Difference of the value which is always less than the sum of the individual value. Is it clear? So after taking modulus for x and y, it will be both are positive. Then when you add, sum is always greater than the difference of the values. So always sum of two number is greater than the difference of the same two values. Is it clear? And modulus of x less than r, modulus of x less than or equal to r, modulus x greater than r, modulus x greater than or equal to r. In all the four cases, write inside the modulus x. Same sign, write on both sides. See, x same sign on both sides, x same sign on both sides, x same sign on both sides. I have plus r, write negative to positive. That's all. Very simple. How to release the modulus from the inequality? Write inside the value from the modulus. Same sign appear left as well as right in all the four cases. Write the value of here, which is positive in this case, of course everywhere. Write negative to positive, negative to positive, negative to positive. That's all. Suppose less than and less than or equal to means the value lies between the two values, it will be like this. Suppose minus r to plus r means it will be lies between these two, and your minus infinity appear here and plus infinity appear here. So less than or equal to means the value of x lies between these two values. If it is equal sign including the extreme values of r and minus r, if it is less than alone, it will be open interval. For greater than or equal to, the value lies outside of these two values r and minus r, that is x is, in this case, x is greater than r, so r comma infinity outside of this one, and minus infinity to minus r, that is what written here. Suppose equal sign means it will be equal, that is minus infinity to minus r closed, and r comma infinity r closed. Okay, for any a value belongs to r, same mod x minus a less than or equal to r. So write the inside the modulus value, same inequality on both sides, negative to positive. I need x, so minus a comes here plus a. So in this case the value of x lies between a minus r to a plus r. Equal sign closed interval. If it is less than alone, I will use open interval. See, I have x minus a modulus greater than or equal to r. Same inside the modulus, same inequality on both sides, negative to positive. Okay, and this minus a comes here plus a. So in this case x lies between minus infinity to a minus r and a plus r to plus infinity. Is it clear? These are the basic properties of absolute value. Okay.